A very good afternoon. It's your lunch. So I want to thank our friends from Conrad, who is the representative. Thank you so much. You are true friends and partners. I suspect they're the ones paying for the lunch. My friends have spoken. It's so nice to catch up with Eugene. Always very eloquent in presentation. I want to thank our guy who really presented the challenge. I'm so happy. I think he should give us the clip shots of that presentation so we can go and internalize and really reflect. I know that he didn't come. I think he was doing stuff also about Mary North. He told me. Our sister mother was here. And Justin Muturi, just in time. I like that. So, niseme nini ila tu kwa shukuru. You are young. The future belongs to you. But leadership should begin now. Ile tulikuwa tunasema nyinyi ni viongozi wa kesho. That is now on some old adage. The youths everywhere. And this, as I was coming in, I don't know how many of you have realized that additional to the revolt in Madagascar,